Is this Windows 8? But wait, it doesn't really look like Windows 8. The start menu looks completely different. But what is this? Is this Windows 9? Well, at least it was called like that back then by the press, because everyone thought this was going to be the Windows 9 beta, but then Microsoft just called it Windows 10, as you all know. But this is actually an operating system that could be called Windows 9, because we have a mix of Windows 8 and Windows 10, with the start menu being more like Windows 10, with a lot of Windows 8 programs. But we're all gonna see that in this video. This here is the Windows Technical Preview build 9841. We're going to look around everything, see what looks more like Windows 10, see what still looks like Windows 8, and just compare. This operating system is that which you could actually call a Windows 9 in some way. Let's go! One of the biggest issues that Windows 8 had was the start menu, and they changed it back here. So Microsoft actually saw that the Windows 8 start menu was really unpopular, so we have like a mix now. We have the Windows 8 tiles, which are these here, which were all over the place in Windows 8, now put in the start menu here, which later changed to the Windows 10 tiles, as we all know. And you can also not make folders here, you can just make them smaller somehow. Unpin from start, we can resize them and make them small, yes. What is large actually? Oh my god, this is really large. Maybe you could actually get your Windows 8 start menu back somehow, if you make enough of these large tiles and then put them all together, but it wouldn't be large enough. Then another interesting thing that I notice is that the animations are completely different. Like, look at the animation when I open the recycle bin. This is like completely different from Windows 8 and Windows 10. And user account controls opening if I open the task manager. This is also a bit weird actually. Welcome to Tech Preview. You have new apps that can open this type of link. Wait, what app? I didn't install anything. But the notification is still like in Windows 8. You're not connected to a network. Okay, so we have this search down here. And in Windows 10 it was actually a larger search bar then. Then we have the task view, and we can make multiple desktops here. We can add a desktop and then we can switch to it. Wait. Was there no animation whatsoever? Yes. Okay, it was really in beta. Let's actually delete the other desktop. And the file explorer icon also looks different. You can see that there's stuff done here. It looks a bit different from Windows 8, but it absolutely doesn't look like the icons in Windows 10. In Windows 10 they made everything flat then. Windows 10 was in this flat design era where all icons had to be as simple as possible, and that's not what we see here, but you can definitely see the similarities to Windows 10 already. I don't think we got anything in here. No, we don't. No videos, no music, and no pictures. You might remember these full screen apps called Metro apps from Windows 8. What they did here is actually interesting. If I open this video app, for example, it opens in full screen, but I can also just resize it to a window and stretch it the way I want, and it still works. It looks a bit weird and it looks a bit buggy when I stretch it, because I don't know, it's not really optimized for that. And we also know that the Metro apps got removed later. But yeah, this is probably how Windows 8 should have been. Wait, what is Xbox Video actually? I've never heard of that. Movie store and TV store? What is Xbox Video? Is this a place where people would buy movies and stuff? I've never heard of that. Okay, let's go in the down right corner. We have the calendar, we have the volume settings, which all mostly look like Windows 8, and this also has the Windows 8 sounds, the network settings. I'm actually not sure if this is the same as Windows 8, because it seems like they changed a little bit, but I'm not sure how this looked in Windows 8 actually. Of course, we also got the Internet Explorer, and we got Internet Explorer 11 here, so this is the Windows 10 version. Fix connection problems. An error occurred while troubleshooting. And this version of Windows did not have Edge. So Edge was added later. Music. Welcome to Xbox Music. What is Xbox Music? Did they also call this way in Windows 8? Or did they just call it this way for the beta and then removed it? Because I know in the Windows 10 first version it was probably just called Groove Music or Music. In Windows 10 it was actually called Groove Music for some time, until it was renamed to just Music, I think. But Xbox Music I've never seen before. Paint. Oh, we got the standard Windows 10 Paint app. And I think it also looked the same way in Windows 8. The animation looks interesting actually. We got this calculator, all Windows 8 stuff, all apps. And this is a similar view we would also get on Windows 10, so this is already here. We got our Windows 8 apps. We even got this really large calculator here, which we can now make smaller. Can I just make it as small as the other one? Okay, no, I can't actually make it smaller. This is the smallest you can get, but this is still more useful as this one here. But it's interesting they first made them adjustable and then just removed these Metro apps. Sticky notes. I don't know if they were in Windows 10 actually. I know what you should all do. You should all subscribe. Can I make the text larger actually? No. Okay. Weather. It's loading and loading. Bro, what the? Why can I take this sun and just move it somewhere? Was this possible in Windows 8 as well? I don't think so. And the app is not loading at all. Can I also do that with other apps? No, it doesn't work here with this newspaper icon. Welcome to Bing News. Please connect to the internet. Not much to do here. What is games? Xbox games. Oh, this was also on Windows 8, I remember actually. Wait, I actually saw something here and we have 3 dots here and we got app commands, whatever that is. Okay, nothing happens. But what I saw is that we also got full screen. So we have the option to get it back to the Windows 8 version where everything was full screen and the app looked exactly like this. This is interesting actually. Settings. What can we do here? Is this from Windows 8 actually, or was this new for this Windows version here? Change PC settings. These are actually the Windows 8 settings as far as I know. Activate Windows. Windows isn't activated, so I can't do anything here. Search on apps. Let's actually try something. Let's do Windows. It just says Windows without number. So we're actually just going to pretend that we have a Windows 9 here. I will just add one in the editing. Alarms. We got some alarms here, but these are probably just all Windows 8 apps. Stopwatch. Interesting animation actually. Notepad. Nothing too special. OneNote was actually also on here. Welcome to OneNote. Let's get started. Try again. I don't want to be signed in. Why is it forcing me? I don't want to travel. I want to move the icon again. Welcome to Bing Travel. Search flights. You could also see this offline. I never saw this before. Search hotels. If I make this smaller, doesn't really work at all. I have to scroll like this then. Do I have to make it full screen to not scroll? Still have to scroll. This probably was intended if you would use it on a tablet in the Windows 8 version of the app. Yeah, probably. And the Windows Store, which doesn't work. Sports. Let's open sports. What do we have here? You are not connected to the internet. Please connect to the internet for the latest sports, games, news, whatever. Let's try NFL. Okay, we can't click at anything here because we don't have internet. Sound recorder. Can Windows sound recorder? Yes, allow. Calendar. Switch to a Microsoft account on this PC. Next. Cancel. Cancel. Please. Calendar. To use sign in. Well, I can't use the calendar without a Microsoft account. That's annoying actually. This also had OneDrive? Did Windows 8 also have OneDrive? Or is this new for this version here? OneDrive. Always have your files. Add your files to OneDrive. Well, that's not what we're gonna do. So yeah, actually I think we have seen everything on here. Yeah, so this is actually an interesting Windows version because it's like the perfect mix between Windows 10 and Windows 8. And I would say this kinda makes it a Windows 9, even though Microsoft never made one. If you like this little video and want to see more videos, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the next one that now shows up on the screen. See you there. Bye.